Welcome back. This week we're talking about Chapter 11, Gaming Entertainment. So gaming entertainment has an interesting history and has been a huge industry in the US and around the world for a long time. Although learning about the history of the industry is important, I want to focus on the current state of the industry, how it relates to the overall hospitality industry, and employment opportunities within this industry. There are several major hubs for gaming around the US and the world. Due to the fact that gaming isn't legal everywhere, in the US, the major hubs are Las Vegas, Nevada, and Atlantic City, New Jersey. In addition, there are hundreds of Native American tribal casinos across the country. Although there are career opportunities in the gaming industry outside of casino resort operations, I would like to focus our attention on this area of the industry. Casino resorts offer so much more than gaming by offering lodging, dining, shopping, and other forms of entertainment to their guests. Even if you aren't interested in working for a casino, you'll find that they offer a full range of hospitality careers. I guarantee that any career you can think of in the hospitality industry is represented somewhere on the Las Vegas Strip. If you've ever stayed at a casino resort or visited one, think about how they're different from non-gaming resorts. So hotel operations at a casino resort are very similar to any other resort, as are food and beverage operations and entertainment operations. As we've already learned about these areas, I'd like to focus on specifically casino operations. This area consists of electronic game technicians, table game dealers, security, facilities personnel, marketing staff, human resources, and administrative services. If you've been to one of the large casino resorts, you can imagine how many people it takes to run the gaming operation, especially considering most casinos are open 24 hours a day. This doesn't even account for the staff in all of the other areas of the resort, just gaming operations. With the high number of employees needed to operate a casino, companies are looking for ways to automate operations to reduce staff. One way they're doing this is by utilizing advanced technology in their security department. You may have noticed all the countless cameras installed above a casino floor. These cameras not only reduce the staff needed to keep an eye on things, but advances in technology have enabled new features such as facial recognition to pick up known criminals or keep an eye on high rollers. Another way casinos might use automation to save on labor costs is the installation of self-serve beverage stations. Obviously, alcohol must still be served by people, but centrally located beverage stations can allow patrons to help themselves to non-alcoholic beverages. The cost of giving away free beverages, soda, tea, and that sort of thing to everyone in the casino is far lower than the cost to serve all of those beverages to guests with waitresses or waiters. This is a perk that some casinos offer to keep people gambling in-house rather than taking their money to a competitor. Gaming used to bring in about 60% of revenue for Las Vegas resorts. In the last decade, gaming revenue has dropped below 40%. This means casino resorts need to stay competitive and offer everything their guests need or risk losing them to a competitor. Think about what steps do you think a casino resort could take to keep guests on their property. So casino resorts have worked to improve the guest experience in every way, from providing better accommodations to offering any and every form of entertainment. The ultimate goal is to keep the guest on property, gambling or otherwise spending their money at your resort rather than the resort across the street. Have you ever noticed how confusing it is to find your way out of a casino resort? They want to keep you there, eating in their restaurants, buying tickets to their shows, shopping in their stores, partying at their nightclubs, and gambling at their machines and tables. With so much competition just steps away, they're desperate to earn and keep your business any way they can. Many casinos work hard to keep guests on property by creating loyalty programs. They offer comps such as free meals, show tickets, and room nights to loyalty members who gamble frequently. This is in addition to the free drinks and snacks they already offer to those sitting at the tables or slot machines. The odds are in the casino's favor, so the longer a person gambles, the more likely the casino is to come out on top. Casino resorts must always try to stay one step ahead of their guests' needs. From new gaming options to trendy dining and entertainment choices, Properties that can adapt their offerings to suit new generations and new customers will end up on top.